up, guys? It's your girl, NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. What it do, boo? What it do, boo? Boo! What's up, guys? I hope you guys have been enjoying my last couple videos and whatever. So, I decided I've been stalking like these UK makeup people, these makeup artists, and I was like, dang, I really like the way they do it. So I'm like, yo, I want to try it. So this tutorial that I just recorded that you're getting ready to watch, I tried to do the UK style makeup. I hope you guys like it. If you do, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned if you want to see this gorgeous look. Okay, so they start by priming their eyes with this super light concealer. So that's what I'm doing. Now I'm taking Wine and Dine. They start with a dark color in their crease, but before they do any other color. And I'm just taking it in this little round shape because they do their makeup in a circle. So trying to follow that. And you know how we start with our transition colors and all that first? They don't. They do that after they do their main bold crease color, which is mad interesting to me. But hey, I'm just sitting here blending it out, working with it. I look crazy. Now I'm taking the light pink out of the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm blending outwards because, again, that would have been my transition color. So I'm just using that color to blend out the Wine and Dine out of the Violet Voss color. Strange, I know, but hey, they make it be flawless, so let's do it. Ooh, I look crazy. Taking a clean blending brush, and I'm just blending out all the edges. And they take their makeup all the way up to their brows, and hey, it looks flawless, so guess what I'm going to do? I'm trying it. We just going to try it. We're trying it. We're going to blend. Keep blending. Just like Dory says, just keep swimming. Just keep blending. Got to get all the way up in there. So now they cut their crease, but they cut their crease in a round shape, like in a circle. They don't cut their crease the same way we cut our crease. So I'm attempting to cut my crease in a round shape. It's a little harder than I expected it to be, but guess what? We worked it out. I gotta learn. I have to watch a couple more tutorials and keep trying a little harder to see exactly how they cut their crease, but guess what? We tested it out. So now I'm just blending out the edges of my concealer with Wine and Dine. I'm just taking it in the way that they do it. They do it so flawlessly. I don't know if I did it exactly the same as them, but just how to do it. Then you bring the bottom of it close to your eyelash line, and you just bring it in close to it. Now I'm going to take this peach color. I can't tell you exactly what color it is because it came on a palette, and I don't know where you could purchase this palette if need be or where you could get it. So don't ask, but just take a random peach color and just pack it on your lid. I'm sure you can do this look with multiple other colors. I just chose to do pink and peach because I like the way they complement each other. So gorgeous. Right here, I was frustrated. I was sad. I didn't feel like it was looking the way that the UK people do. And I was just over it at this point, but I'm not a person to give up, so I keep going. So now I'm going to take brownie points, and I'm going to put it in my crease. The brownie points out of the Violet Voss palette, to be exact. But I'm going to do it in a circle. Here, you can tell I'm a little confused. I don't know what to do. I'm getting mad frustrated, but I'm trying so hard not to give up because quitters never win. So, you got to try it. So, now I'm going to try to blend it out with a little bit of more pink. I just didn't understand how they were getting the colors to transpire the way they were coming out for them. The only color I didn't use that they didn't use was the peach color, so I just didn't get it. But here, as you can see, I'm still confused. I'm still working on it. And like I used to say in my other videos when I first started, we're all learning at the same time. So just bear with me, and guess what? We just gonna learn together. Going back in with some peach because I just feel like the peaches just stand out way more than it was. So trying to make sure it stands out and stays sticking out. Now I'm just going to clean up the edges because I got so frustrated with the eye. I'm just like, you know what? I'll come back to the eye after I do the face because maybe it'll look better after I do the face. So just cleaning up the eye some with some concealer and making sure she's all cute, you know? Can we talk about these thick brows? I never do my brows like this, but this is how people do it in the UK. But they crazy, honey. They look crazy. Oh, well. My face is done, and now I am back blending all of my colors together, hoping that, you know, I got one eye looking around trying to get the other. So now I'm going to take some black, because maybe the black will help me some, but who knows? Every move I make, every single day, every time I pray, I'll be missing you. Still can't believe you're gonna give anything to hear happen. I know you still. Ooh, it's okay. What a life to take, what a bond to break, I'll be missing you. Oh, my eyes. This song makes me so sad. Now I'm taking my Jumbo NYX pencil in the color white, and I'm just outlining my waterline. Sorry for my little emotional moment. I've lost some really close loved ones in the last couple months, and I'm still dealing with it. And this song just touched a nerve. But now I'm just lining my lip. Now I'm putting peach stock on my lips. You know, that's my favorite color. Now I'm getting ready to use this matte lip gloss lipstick from Bare Minerals. It's so pretty. I'm so obsessed. I'm so glad my auntie bought this for me because I love it so much. Now I'm taking my Ratchet Beauty Supply lip gloss, every little hood girl favorite, and I'm just putting it on top because if you know me, you know I don't like my lips matte. So now I'm going back in with lip liner just to enhance my lips a little bit more, make them look a little bit fuller. This is the trick that I personally use to get my lips to look fuller because I have tiny lips and people used to make fun of me and tell me I got white people lips even though I'm black. So this is how I make my lips look a little fuller, and I just love the way that my lips come out when I do it this way. I'm taking my NYX matte setting spray and I'm going to spritz her some. Now I'm taking my Pixie makeup fixing mist. I love this stuff. I'm just going to spray my face a little bit. I'm going to dab all that in with my beauty blender so I can have a flawless finish. Oh, girl, when I say my makeup stayed all day. Did you guys like it? Oh my god. I know, I was low-key frustrated the whole time doing this makeup. Like, I wanted to cry. I had an attitude. I had stopped and I was like, I'm going to wipe this off. I don't like it. But it ended up coming out really cute. And I'm glad I didn't give up. You know, that's what happened when you try, when you think you're going to give up and you keep going and it come out the way you need it to come out. You feel me? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys. Who is she? Oh, who is she? Who the is she?